Blazing magnets.
Today we're back for what is in there. We don't know whether it's a safe or what, we don't know, but we're going to find out. Right, so again today you've got me, camera, and you've got Marie and Carol magnet fishing. I reckon it's roughly about a foot up from where you are. No, I reckon it's about level with that puddle, roughly, I would say. Yeah. No messing around, she's straight in there, look. Come on, hurry up and get your gloves on. Have you found it? She's got it. She's straight on it already. Back on, yeah. So, right, we're back on it. So let me, I've got to give them a hand now. So I've got to try and film it whilst. If you pull it up, then you direct it where you need it. Is that on?
No, we're attached now.
Well, we're attached, right.
I suggest you leave yours out until we get it.
Till you get it up and then drop it on, yeah? Right, okay. Right, so here we go. If this isn't a safe, I'm going to be well annoyed. You're slipping off today. You shouldn't have cleaned your magnet, Carol. No, you've got it. Slowly. Right.
Like, you shouldn't have done it there. You ain't going to get no pull on that at all. You need to be on the sides.
Right. Well, I can pull mine off, can't I?
Oh.
No!
You need the grappling hook.
Which sides? Where do you want it?
You need the grappling hook. There's not enough.
It is a cash box.
Marie, hold this. Can you hold that?
Right. You get the grappling hook. There's a hole down here. You can put it in. It's a cash box. But it's got a hole in it. I don't know if you can see that. Look.
Mum, you need to hurry up because I'm going to slip it.
Carol, there's a hole at this side. Cash box. We tried to get it yesterday, but we couldn't get it out. Wow, that is a closed cash box. Oh yeah, we found a 5-foot safe door yesterday down there that we pulled out. Right, you want to sit that up and then let the water.
Just hang on a minute. Can't get that off.
I can't get it off either.
Right, get it out.
Yeah, no, we were here yesterday.
We couldn't get it out, so we brought our grappling hook today to get it out with.
You want to sit it up so all the water. I'll tell you what, it's full of something because it's definitely not open. You need to sit it so that water will drain out of it. Watch your fingers.
Okay.
So we've got it out, and that is a locked. It's a locked cash box that hasn't been opened, or a locked safe. So I don't know what we're going to do. It's definitely not been opened.
It looks like it has.
So
Maybe. I don't know what that is sticking out.
I have no idea. Don't know, but
you sure it's safe?
It's definitely a safe. Oh, it's a cash box. Yeah.
It's not the bottom half of the tin, is it?
No, it's not. Well, yeah, it could well be bottom of a till actually. I don't know. We'll have to take it home and have a look.
That's one of them special, you know, the round keys that you put in.
Yeah. It's like my buy box key.
And turn the.
So what a find! What a find! We knew it was there, so there it is. Like and subscribe, people. Yeah, there's a few big things in there. I think we've cleaned this bit out quite well. It'd be all right to sell. You can sell your boat through here, no problem. Now there's no rubbish in it. She's got it. That's heavy. Come on. Come on, Brownie, get your magnet on this one.
Where are we?
You want to get a big electromagnet, just stick it in, turn the power on. Did you lift it up first? Right. Grappling up time. It's hammer time. All the gear here. I don't think you didn't throw it in far enough, I don't think. We're on it. Are you on it? She's on it. She's got it, whatever it is.
I ain't lifting that box out.
Give her a hand, Carol.
Oh, what is that?
What on earth is...
Can you get a magnet on it?
What is...
It's a bike.
What the hell is
It's a
that?
bike.
It's never a bike. Hang on, let me turn that
It's
down.
the petrol tank off a bike.
It's not, it's a complete bike. It's a whole bike. There's the head.
I can't hold this.
This isn't sticking because it's just.
That's an old school bike, that is.
It looks like a bloody Vespa. Right. I think that'll pull you.
I can't lift it.
I think that'll pull you in. Right. You're going to have to hold that a minute while I turn this off. So, I've given them a hand. And that is what we have just pulled out. I do not know what it is. It's a Vespa.
It's a Vespa
That's
bike.
a Vespa.
Oh, Peter had one of them when he was there.
I bet it looked better than that.
I wonder if it's this.
I tell you what, look, that is unreal. That's been in. There's another massive crayfish here. Look in the back.
If it's a red one, you need to kill it.
Yeah, apparently it's got to kill.
I'm not kidding nothing.
Mate.
Yeah, no Vespa.
No Vespa. Wow.
That's huge. That's the red one.
They're not going to believe this when they get back.
That
That
needs
is
to be killed.
You got to kill the red ones apparently,
No, I'm not killing
because they're killing ours. So, let's have a look. Oh, it's no. That is mad. That is mad.
Sorry, we're in your way, aren't we? Sorry.
That's been in there. That has been in there for some time. That has. Yeah, it's a Vespa. That is a Vespa, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's an old school Vespa and all by the look of it. Check that band. That is unreal. Like and subscribe.
They're quite expensive. That's good. It is moving now. I've moved it.
even know what you've got.
We need to come and grab this.
Right.
Give Mum that camera.
You're gonna have to hold that. Right. Just film this.
Does it do it itself?
Come on.
Sorry.
That's alright.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to put them on me because I can't.
You're better off without gloves because these slip.
These ain't that good either.
Is this in the right place?
Yeah. Just hold it down.
Wow. What is this?
Maybe it's jammed under the bank.
Wow. It's another scooter.
It's another one.
It's another one.
Right, you need to get a magnet. You need to get a magnet on it. Yeah, another Vespa.
Wow, you two. Whoa. We are having an exciting afternoon here today. How many scooters can you find in one day? My goodness. Wow, look at that. Crikey. Well, the cameraman can return.
So, we found another Vespa. Number 2.
Well done, you two.
Holy, holy, unreal. Yeah, that's another Vespa, isn't it? It's mad. Mad. Mad isn't the word. Right.
Right, we need to move to the bike.
So, there you go. Number 2. It's in pretty bad nick, same as the other one, to be perfectly honest, but 2 Vespas in one day. Unreal. Mad. Mad. Right. Well, we were going to fish down on this little bit here, but the rate's going, we're just going to end up getting stuck up here. So we'll see how we get on. I tell you what, you thought you found some stuff yesterday. So Radford Bottom has seems to have no bottom in it because we just seem to keep finding it. Excuse the smoke, people. No, me blowing smoke. Just don't pull out a hand grenade now, for God's sake, will you? At the rate we're going now, we'll be back for a third visit here because
Hey, not down there yet.
we'll be running out of time again. Brilliant. I'm going to have to go and empty the bucket in a minute, ain't I? Another spoon for your collection, Carol. So, I know I keep going back to them, but I just think that's absolutely amazing to find 2 Vespas, or 2 what's left of the Vespas. So, you know, what finds? Like and subscribe, people. Like and subscribe. So they're back on something big again. We're making a hat trick of Vespas. Well, we've got 2, so we need another one. I think it's mad.
going to get away from the bank.
What the hell is that?
Another bit
It's
of
a
bite.
bit of bite.
Oh, it's the rest of that Vespa. Wow. That's the rest of that one.
It is, yeah.
That's the rest of the other one.
Yeah.
So we've now found, that'll be the wiring loom, I presume, off it. So that is the rest of the other one that we've just pulled out. Yeah, that's the front bit of that one, isn't it? Yeah, it's the front bit of that one. So now we've got two complete Vespas. Yeah, you hold, that's it, you hold it there. Yeah, look. Yeah. Right. There we go, hold it there. So, end of our magnet fishing adventures for today. We just cleaned everything up and we're going to start making our way home. Got to put our safe in the boot. We'll open it when we get home, and if there's anything in it, we're going to get it handed into the police, hopefully get it back to its rightful owner. So there's our, I don't know if you can see them there, there's our two Vespas that we've pulled out today as well. So once again, big thanks to our 320 subscribers. Thanks guys, thanks for watching and subscribing, and big shout out to all the magnet fishers in the UK. What a great day we've had. It's been brilliant. We'll see you again next weekend.